Welcome back. Dubai opens its doors to visitors from across the globe every day. As such, municipality officials say it is critical to ensure hygiene and safety is observed and maintained in all areas across the city. In line with this is the function of the Health Control Section of Dubai Municipality, which is mainly responsible for inspecting the inside of premises related to public health. Looking at the health, hygiene, and safety, this section aims to prevent communicable diseases and its spread within the community, particularly high-risk areas frequented by the public, such as salons, spas, barbershops, schools, nurseries, labor camps, and other building establishments.
Whether it is a business or people who are within the business working and delivering that service, we have done so many campaigns, campaigns related to occupational safety, heat stress, electrical safety, hygiene within the barber shops and the haircut salons. And as you see, they are all geared towards educating and spreading awareness among the working staff within these businesses.
We make sure, like the classrooms, there is no crowdedness in the classroom. The indoor air quality, it's good, proper. And we know that also Dubai Municipality or the health and safety is taking, the whole department is taking measures to prevent the spread of disease. Before people go to hospitals, we put the lines, defensive lines for prevention.
The inspection of these businesses is based on a grading system. A grade A is visited at least once a year, while grade B is visited twice, and C at least 3 times.
To get a visa, a visiting visa, a working visa in Dubai, you have to get the health certificate. That proves that you don't carry any communicable disease like AIDS, hepatitis B.
This extends to labor camps. Officials say the welfare of the men behind the towering buildings that continue to change and define the cityscape of Dubai, as well as those who ensure the cleanliness and beautification of the city, is very important.
Labor camps. The laborers, we care too much about them that they live a healthy lifestyle, it's not crowded. The more crowdedness in a room, it will be less oxygen. Any person, need to breathe fresh air, oxygen to live healthy. Now, if the room is congested by so many people, it will be unhealthy for them. Also, in these cases, disease can spread. Also, in labor camps, there is kitchens, common kitchens. If the food get exposed, to bacteria or get spoiled and people eat it, they could, get food poisoning.
The term labor camp, according to Dubai municipality officials, is often misunderstood. While it is often referred to as a camp, it is actually a building accommodation or an area dedicated to laborers with complete facilities to allow the men to enjoy and rest after a hard day's work. With many of them not highly educated, officials say they run various campaigns to ensure the men's well-being and safety. Let's take a look at one of these locations. Inspector Hamdi Banasi from the Dubai Municipality's Health and Safety Department took us on a routine inspection at Dosgo Village. He started by checking all the pertinent documents required are available and up to date. Then the inspection ensued that took us around the massive facility, beginning with the first aid room.
We have a list for first aid room medicines that should be inside first aid room just for first aid treatment. If it is the injury or the anything high, they just call the ambulance and it will come back to take the patient and go back to the hospital immediately.
The kitchen itself, sometimes you see unsafe practices like the gas cylinders inside. I mean, like plenty of them inside the kitchen. Depends on the groups of the laborers, and depends on their nationality and the food they like to eat, you know. So can cause, you know, harm to them in regard to safety. An explosion, a fire can occur easily.
Inside the 3-story building is a kitchen and dining hall with designated cupboards for each room to provide ample space for food storage. This prevents bringing food inside their bedrooms to maintain cleanliness. Proper spacing inside the rooms is another critical factor on the list.
Painting inside the room, if any cockroaches, if any pets, if any, you know, something small flying. And the cleaning also. Cleaning is good. No insects, no pets, no anything. Right now, this is good, and no crowdedness inside the room.
Everything went under scrutiny from the internet cafe, library, training room to the common lavatory and saloon. While everything is spick and span, there are areas identified where they could improve.
Do you have occupational health card, both of you? With you or with the camp manager? Can I see it, please? This is not allowed anymore to use gel, cream gel and shave. This is not allowed, the brush not allowed anymore, okay?
A beauty salon and barber shops is more risky than others. If we don't take very strong measures, I mean, blood transmitted disease like hepatitis, AIDS, so many, you know, even skin diseases can, you know, transmit.
Dosgo, a human resource, waste management and manpower supply services company, set up their labor accommodation in 2007. With a capacity to house 4,000 people, the company provided additional facilities to ensure comfort and convenience, including an ATM machine, transportation vehicles, and an area for events and entertainment.
We are using solar panels here to take care of some of the areas. Okay, then we are using the recycling plants to and using treated water for the green areas and the landscaping areas. We have a saloon facility, we have a grocery shop inside, and top of that we have a CCTV camera here, and along with the control we have around 100 CCTV cameras.
On the 1st of May, we arrange, you know, celebrations with them, awareness campaign. Usually we ask the owners of the companies or the managers to come. We give health education, whether in their site, in the labor camp itself, or they come to us. We have a place in Muhaisna, in Gusais.
However, risk is not limited to them, as these can be found in industrial areas as well as an office setting. The role of the Occupational Health and Safety section is to enforce and guarantee the compliance for health and safety standards by spreading a culture of safety through knowledge and training in both the public and private sectors.
The most important in this occupational health is the level of awareness of the individual about the hidden risk. Anything's hot plate, you will not touch it. Something sharp, you will understand. But something that you're not aware, like you find a congested area under your feet. Oh, why I'm keeping 8 hours congested under my feet? Couple bottle, one box of mineral water. Another one is a printer. Another one is the trash bag. Oh, there is no space even for me to relax in 8 hours working day. So you will be under certain stress and you're not aware of. This is the lowest one, which we call it in the office. For the business owner, the most important things is to adopt occupational health and safety management system. And when they're gonna implement that, they are gonna ensure their productivity. They will ensure the well-being of their workers. They will ensure capturing the same experience which has been built up in their workers and not face a sudden consequence or disaster, they lose them all. They will ensure their reputation. They will ensure their willingness of their workers to work. They will ensure creativity in the work.
Government departments are also being audited to ensure best practices and standards. The optimum goal is to eliminate the non-conforming and remove the existing hazards. Companies are classified and evaluated according to their level of risk and compliance, such as in the case of an industrial accident, for instance.
The first things we will look at it, was the person qualified person? Was the instruction clear? Is there any supervision provided? So this is the three major issues. If the company will fail, the company will be considered as a negligence from the company side before it is from the worker side. The most important for the owner of the business to understand the mindset of his worker. If he understood, he can easily communicate.
We try to maintain the same mix. That's also a strategy that we try to maintain the wide range or wide mix of inspectors in order to deal with such a mix of the society. Our awareness materials used to be in the past in two languages, Arabic and English. Nowadays we hardly go less than 5 languages. We've gone beyond that. We've gone most of the time now we look at and we try to spread the awareness by symbols or by straight out messages, pictorial or videos or through the website.
With 200 nationalities living and working together in this melting pot of cultures, languages, and habits, communication is an important element of their job according to officials. From cooperation with local municipalities, as well as other government departments and international bodies, their work is fundamental to health and safety in Dubai.
The municipality has agreements with local government departments. We are partnering with the police, the civil defense, the customs, the economic department, and this is, at the DM level. Also, the DM has a twining relations with one or two Australian cities, the US cities, and European cities, and as well as Arab towns.
The Public Health and Safety Department covers an extensive area that affects our health and the way we live. Whether it's for business or pleasure, from holding an event in the city to the safety regulations on swimming pools, the business of importing and selling toys, the dangers cosmetics could pose, as well as the standards behind a labor camp, there are rules set to protect us. But this is just one of the departments at the Dubai Municipality to help consumers. If you wish to contact the municipality to find out more, you can call the authorities' helpline number 800-900. For Emirates 360, this is Khadija Sali. Until the next episode, it's goodbye for now.